video will provide step-by-step instructions for the operation of the FilmArray torch. We hope you find this video helpful as an introductory tool and later as a source of reference. You will find the FilmArray torch is simple to operate. But if you experience any problems or have any questions, we want to help. BioFire Diagnostics has a skilled technical support team dedicated to your success. For assistance, we can be reached by phone at 1-800-735-6544, by email at support@biofiredx.com, or you can visit our website at biofiredx.com. We're committed to the speedy resolution of all technical issues.
Operating the FilmArray torch. The FilmArray torch is composed of 2 to 12 FilmArray modules connected to a system base. The FilmArray torch software controls the function of each module and collects, analyzes, and stores data generated by each test run. The FilmArray torch uses the FilmArray pouch, which is a self-contained closed system disposable. The FilmArray pouch houses all chemistry required to isolate, amplify, and detect nucleic acid from a sample. Performing a run. The FilmArray torch is compatible with all existing FilmArray panels and uses the FilmArray pouch to run tests. To start a run, use the touchscreen and navigate to the dashboard. At the dashboard, select an available FilmArray torch module to perform the run. Only FilmArray torch modules in an available state can be selected to start a run. Scan the pouch barcode. Alternatively, you may manually enter the lot number, serial number, and pouch type. Then, you will be prompted to scan the sample ID with the barcode scanner. Alternatively, you may enter the information manually. However, if possible, scanning of the sample ID is recommended to prevent errors. Insert the pouch into the selected FilmArray torch module. The selected FilmArray torch module will be indicated by a flashing blue module light. Inserting a pouch. When inserting the pouch, ensure the label is flat on the top of the pouch and not folded over. As you insert the pouch, the FilmArray torch gently takes hold and pulls it into the module. When the pouch is secured in the FilmArray torch, the module light will flash green to indicate the pouch is properly seated in the module. Once the pouch is firmly seated in the module, the dashboard will prompt you to enter your username and password. Select Start Run to initiate a run. Once started, the Run in Progress screen will be displayed with the approximate remaining run time. With the Run in Progress, the module light will show a solid green, and the operator may navigate to the dashboard and perform tasks on other FilmArray torch modules. If it is necessary to stop a run before it is complete, select the applicable FilmArray torch module from the dashboard showing the time remaining and select Abort. Note, the data generated for the run will not be available for analysis, and that pouch cannot be restarted or rerun. When a run is complete, the dashboard will display Finished, and the pouch will be partially ejected. The module light will show a pulsing green to indicate the test is complete. Select Finished to view the report. If you wish to view the report at a later time, simply remove the pouch. Once the pouch is removed, the run is cleared, and the dashboard displays that the FilmArray torch module is available for another run, as indicated by the solid blue module light. Using the FilmArray torch software. The FilmArray torch system provides a kiosk known as the system base that allows you to run FilmArray pouches and perform all related activities in a high-throughput environment. You can operate the torch system by using the touchscreen on the system base. Toolbar. The toolbar at the top of the display provides options that enable you to move between the main interfaces on the touchscreen, the dashboard screen, the Browse Run screen, and the Settings screen. Using the dashboard screen. The dashboard screen enables you to view the status of each FilmArray torch module, view the status of runs in progress, and start a run. The dashboard screen can be accessed from any screen by selecting Dashboard on the toolbar. Browse Run screen. When operators use the torch system to run FilmArray pouches, data is stored in the local database and can be accessed from the Browse Runs screen. Browse Runs displays a tabulated list summarizing information about runs in the database. The Browse Runs Options menu also enables you to export anonymous runs, export runs, and import runs. To access these features, navigate to the Browse Runs screen, select one or more desired runs, and then select Options to open the Options menu. Export runs. To export runs, connect a removable drive that has storage capacity. To protect patient confidentiality, use Export Anonymous Runs. The Export Anonymous Runs replaces the sample ID in the run file with the text Anonymous. To export anonymous runs to a file, navigate to the Browse Runs view and highlight one or more desired runs. Use the Search option to search for desired runs to export. Select Options to view the Options menu. Select the menu item Export Anonymous Runs and a dialog will appear. Select a file name for the .adb file and then select Save to start the export process. During the export process, the Export Anonymous Runs dialog will display the progress of the runs being exported. When the export is complete, select OK to close the dialog. Selecting the Export Runs option enables you to save a copy of one or more database run files while preserving the run files. To export runs to a file, navigate to the Browse Runs view and select one or more runs. Click the magnifying glass to access the Search options that enable you to locate one or more particular runs to export. Select Options to view the Options menu. Select Export Run, then select a location and file name for the .db file. Select Save to start the export process. During the export process, the Export Runs dialog will display the progress of the runs being exported. When the export is complete, select OK to close the dialog. Import runs. To import runs, connect a removable drive containing previous FilmArray run data files. The Import Runs feature enables you to import FilmArray runs into the Torch base. To import runs from a removable file, navigate to the Browse Runs tab and select Options to display the Options menu page. Select Import Runs. The software searches all removable drives for any files that contain run data and will present these files for selection. Select the runs you wish to import to start the import process. During the import process, the Import Runs dialog will display the progress of the runs being imported. When the import is complete, select OK to close the dialog. View Report. To view a report, highlight the desired run and select the View Report option on the Browse Runs page, or select the module box for a completed run. Report menu. The options for each report are displayed on the View Report page. Within these options, you can print or save a report. To print a report, select the Print option in the View Report page. Reports can be set up to automatically print to a connected printer by toggling the Auto Print Report option through the Print options on the Settings menu. To save a report to a PDF file, select the Save option in the View Report page. When prompted, determine where to save the report and what file name to use. Edit Sample ID. If an error occurred during run setup, the sample ID can be changed. Select the Actions option in the View Report page, and then select the Edit Sample ID option from the menu. A table will appear that lists any previous change history, and an update to the sample ID can be made. Save the changes. The report will now reflect the new sample ID with operator and sample ID change history. Show Run Details. To view details of the run, select the Actions option at the upper left of the View Report page and select Show Run Details. The screen will display a list of the system details, messages, and errors associated with that particular run. Print options. Any printer that has been configured to the FilmArray torch can be selected as a default. Select the printer in the Select Printer drop-down menu. The printer you select will set as the default for the FilmArray torch. Create new operators. There are two ways to create a new operator. Navigate to the Enter Operator Information step within the Start Run workflow and select the Add Edit Operator option. Enter the first name and last name of the operator, a username, and a password in both the Password and Confirm fields. Select the green Save when complete. Alternatively, navigate to the Settings menu and select Operators. When the list of current operators is displayed, select Add Operator. Enter the first name and last name of the operator, a username, and the password in both the Password and Confirm boxes. Select the green Save to complete the process. Pouch Module Installation. When new pouch modules are received from BioFire Diagnostics, Pouch Module Management must be used to add to available pouch modules. To access Pouch Module Management, navigate to Settings, then select the Pouch Modules option. All currently installed pouch modules will be displayed in an active state. Select Install New Pouch. The new pouch module will then be displayed and set as active, indicating it is ready for use. Archive Runs. To archive runs, navigate to the Settings page. Select the Archive option, which will display an archive log. Select Archive Runs, which will display a calendar. Select the date you wish to archive the run. Select Next and determine file names and where the archived runs will be saved. By default, the selected runs are saved to a file with the extension .faz, with the first and last dates for the set of runs being archived. The archive process will run in the background. The status of the archive can be seen on the Archive Log page. Abort Archive Process. Aborting an archive process is only safe while the runs are being saved. The archive status displays the progress of the archive process with an option to cancel. Select Cancel and a confirmation that the archive is to be canceled will be displayed. When cancellation is complete, the date and time of completion is logged in the archive log, and the archiving status will appear as idle. Restore Runs. To restore a run in the .faz file after it has been removed, navigate to the Options menu and select Import Runs. The runs will be restored in the database.